Today we are going to learn about living and non-living things. Subject is concept. We see a lot of things around us. When we see, we feel. Does it move on its own? Does it need water? Can it make or eat food? Does it need air? Does it grow? Can it sense the things? What exactly are living and non-living things? Let me tell you. Living things need air. Yes, the first point is living things need air. Let it be us, let it be trees. Living things need food. Look at the family. Everyone is eating together. We eat apples, we eat different kind of fruits, we eat vegetables, we drink milk. Why? Because we all are living things and we need food. Look at the monkey. Is it a living thing? Yes, it grows, it needs food. Cow? Yes, it is a living thing. Living things move. Do we move around? Do we play around? Can we jump? Yes, we play with our brothers and sisters. We can crawl around. We can jump around. Look at the tiger. Can it move? Yes, it can jump. Birds, are they living things? Can they move? Yes, birds, insects, they can fly. They are also a part of living things. Look at the bird flying. Living things grow. We all grow. We were born as small babies. We are now 5 years old. Then we grow up to become like our mummy or papa. Animals. Animals, we have babies. They grow, then they become the big, huge animals. We have small plants. We plant seeds. They become saplings. Then they become trees. Now, what are non-living things? Chair. Does it need food? Is it a living thing? No, it's a non-living thing. Ball. Is it a living thing? No. Can the ball move on its own? No. Therefore, it is a non-living thing. Cars. Can it move on its own? Can the car get bigger in size? No. The car is also a non-living thing. So now we know about living and non-living things. If you see the pages from your textbook, we know that living things grow, they need air, they need food, water, and they can move around. So we all are living things. Fishes are living things. Plants are also living things. But why plants? Because plants need food, they need air, and they grow. But is the drum, is the lamp, TV, book living thing? No, those are non-living things. So we can say that living things grow, they move, they breathe, they eat, and they give babies. But non-living things, they do not grow, they do not move, they do not breathe, they do not eat, and they do not reproduce or they give babies. If you look at the picture, we have on the left hand side living things and we have the non-living things on the right hand side. So if you say human beings, animals, plants, all these are living things, while socks, cars, toys, all are non-living things. So hope the concept is clear. Thank you.